Hi everyone, Professor Christy here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Loom Speaker Notes. It's a really useful feature. So, walking through a few tips. Tip number one, don't use the version that's directly on the browser. Most of you are probably using the Chrome extension. It has limited features. What you want to do is simply Google, which I always find the easiest way to look for information, Google the term download Loom extension and it'll pop up with their website with the direct link. We are using this one. We want this one. Once you download it, it'll start to show up here on your screen with this little icon. All right, everyone. So I'm going to show you from the desktop view what you'll see if you're doing the Loom Speaker Notes. You'll want to click right up here at the top of your screen on the desktop icon, and it will pop up and you'll see this special feature that you can't get if you're just using the Chrome extension. Click on Notes and you'll see you get it blank when you pull it up. I've already preloaded it with the notes from the first week's lesson I did on anxiety we all feel with public speaking. And it's really nice. You can have it here. You can scroll down with your mouse. Only you see these notes. And so you can look directly at the camera as you're talking, and it will make it way easier to be able to show your notes, do what you need to do. I love this feature. It is not useful though when we get into longer presentations where we share the entire screen and use Google Slides. There's other note features I can recommend, and I'll do a second short tutorial once we get a little bit farther into the class and are doing some advanced speeches.